Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to cover the Hudson River Maritime Museum. And before I even got there, I had a bit of adventure where I was down in the boat basins on the hook. And when I went to start the engine and pump the little ball to get the gas to go into the engine, the gas came out. It did not go into the engine. And so the connector to the engine was bad. Fortunately, I had my kicker and it was working just fine. So I was able to use the kicker to get down to the marina hosted by the Hudson River Maritime Museum. Once I was able to get there, I was able to look at it and begin working with it. And they gave me a phone number of where I could purchase a new one. And I called that number and they had one for me. So I purchased it and installed it. And then I was able to begin enjoying the Maritime Museum. Now, the Maritime Museum has a lot to offer. First off, the museum itself is fabulous. It's well-rounded, it's well laid out. It has lots of different sections describing different parts of the history and what goes on along the Hudson River. It also has the Wooden Boat School, which is part of the museum. And they have several tours. And they have, first off, the lighthouse tour, which you're seeing right here. And to do these tours, you use a solar-powered boat. And that solar-powered boat was made on location at the Wooden Boat School. Some of the tours that they have include the history, the tasting tour, the ecology tour, an evening walking tour covering the history of the Roundout waterfront. So let's take a little bit of time, enjoy the rest of the video, and have a marvelous day. Thanks for tuning in.